How to create or open a Poshmark account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can sign up for a Poshmark account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign into a Poshmark account, all you have to do is first of all open up your browser and go to poshmark.com. Now just in case if you're using a mobile, you can also try to download the application, but just for the easy convenience for all of the users in general terms, I will show you on my browser. So once you go to poshmark.com, I'll also have a link prepared down in the description box. You're going to see two options here to log in or sign up. Now if you already do have an account, you can just tap the login button, but if you don't, then you can just tap the sign up button on the right hand side. Now there are many ways to create your account. Either you can choose to continue with Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID, or you can choose to enter all of these details manually, such as your first name, your last name, your email address, the username that you want to change to, the password, the gender, and everything else. And then once you've done that, you can just tap on next. Now because I like to do everything with my Google account, I'm just going to select continue with Google here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and select continue and choose my Google account. Now this is really optional. You can choose any of the ways to sign up if you'd like, and after I've done this, you can see it allows me to choose a username, and as I've done that, I can just go ahead and tap on the next option. Once I tap on the next option, I'll be successfully able to create my Poshmark account. That's it on how you can create a Poshmark account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.